Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's easy to follow and perfect for anyone who wants to learn something new. Let's get started. When one of these fails, your choices are usually repair, remanufactured, or new. A remanufactured unit often costs less than half of a new one, yet it comes with test reports and a warranty, which makes it more attractive than a simple patch job. For safety, a quality remanufactured part must behave just like the original. That means smooth power delivery, no warning lights, and normal fuel economy. Drivers should expect the car to feel the same as before the failure, with no odd noises, jerks, or reduced electric assist. If your shop suggests a remanufactured part, ask what the process includes and how long the warranty lasts. A clear answer with written terms is a good sign that the provider takes quality and your safety seriously. Hybrid battery pack remanufacturing, extending life and saving money. Hybrid battery packs get the most attention because they are large, expensive, and central to how the car drives. When a pack grows weak, you may see lower fuel economy, more engine use, or warning lights. In a typical battery remanufacture, technicians open the pack and safely disconnect high voltage, test each cell or module for capacity and internal resistance, replace weak modules with better matched ones, clean or replace bus bars, connectors, and corrosion-prone hardware, rebalance the pack so modules share the load evenly, update or reset the battery management software as needed. The result can be a pack that works close to a new one in daily use at a much lower cost. Many drivers pay 30 to 50% less for a remanufactured pack than for a brand new one. Real results depend on the car's age and the skill of the remanufacturer, so quality matters a lot here. Electric motors and power electronics, giving high-tech parts a second life. Electric drive motors turn electrical energy into motion. Inverters and power control units manage that flow of power, switching high voltage on and off very quickly so the motor does what the car asks. In motor remanufacturing, shops often replace or upgrade bearings, rewind or re-insulate copper windings, machine or replace worn shafts and housings, balance the rotating parts for smooth operation. For inverters and control units, they usually replace failed boards or power transistors, inspect and renew insulation and solder joints, refresh thermal paste and cooling pads, run the unit at load to confirm it handles heat and power correctly. Thorough testing is the key to safe and smooth driving. A properly remanufactured motor or inverter should feel invisible in daily use, which is exactly what you want. How much can you save with remanufactured hybrid components? Prices vary by car model and region, but the percentage gaps stay fairly steady. Here is a simple comparison. Component. Typical saving versus new part. Hybrid battery pack. 30% to 50% less. Inverter or power control unit. 25% to 40% less. Electric drive motor. 25% to 40% less. Those savings add up, especially on older hybrids where a new part might not make financial sense. On top of lower cost, each remanufactured part means less raw material mined and less scrap in landfills. There are trade-offs. A remanufactured unit may not last quite as long as a fresh factory part, and quality can vary between providers. That is why it pays to choose a trusted shop, read the warranty, and check that the part meets original equipment standards. Benefits, risks, and how to choose a trusted remanufacturer for hybrid components. Remanufacturing sits at the sweet spot of cost, performance, and sustainability for many hybrid owners and fleet managers. It cuts the price of big repairs, keeps vehicles on the road longer, and supports cleaner use of resources. Thanks for watching Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.